What's up, online shoppers? I just wanted to hop on here and show you this really nice new shower head I put in. It's a Delta, and I really love the spray pattern. I'm going to give you a close-up here so you can actually see this spray pattern. This is a really nice, gentle spray pattern for this shower, and I've had a pretty easy time keeping it clean as well. I love the shape of it. I think it's a really pretty shape, almost a little bit sexy, let's say that. And it does clean up really nicely. All it takes is a wipe with some stainless cleaner or some chrome cleaner, and it comes really nice. No water spots or anything else like that. Of course, definitely now there are my fingerprints. The installation of this was also really easy. It just screws on up here, you can see, with a little bit of plumber's tape, and I wasn't the greatest with the installation. Now, if I was doing this again, I'd be a little bit more careful putting in the Teflon tape so that I didn't see it when I screwed it on. But really all you have to do is just put a little bit of Teflon tape here and then screw it on to your base. I do love the way it looks in my washroom. It also matches really well with the trim kit I installed. I'll give you a quick look at that. Do you see how nice that matches with the shower head? You can see that it actually echoes that kind of a shape right here, like you saw in the shower head, and it gives it a really nice overall clean, unified look. This shower head by Delta is awesome. Great spray pattern, easy to install, cleans up like a dream, and definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.